currently undertaking diploma in mathematics and statistics at Kenya School of Tibet. I'm going to take you through this unit of trigonometric and hyperbolic function. Before we start our class, can you arrange ourselves so we start our class? Okay, I'm going to call the register. Mercy, Daisy, Nora, Sharon, Corinne, Moses, Karen, Nancy. That is good. Thank you so much for coming for today's session. Our date of today is on 5th of October 2025. So before we start our class today, we want to remind ourselves what we learned in our previous session. So in our previous session, we discussed about the hyperbolic functions. So who can manage to identify the main hyperbolic functions? Yes, Mercy? Sinh. We have sinh, correct? Yes. We have cosh. Yes, Karen? Tangent. We have tangent, good. Cosh. We have cosh, good. So, in line with what we learned in our previous session, we are going to apply in our today's session. So, our topic of today, you can take the notes. Our topic is trigonometry and hyperbolic functions. So that is our topic. Our subtopic, solving equations involving hyperbolic equations. So our specific learning outcome by the end of the session, the learner should be able to recognize the standard form of equations. Involving hyperbolic functions. Number 2 is to evaluate hyperbolic equation using calculator. Number 3 is to solve the equation. Solve the equation using hyperbolic equation. So that is what we are going to discuss today, class. So we'll start with recognize standard form of equations. So as already we have known that the main functions, the main hyperbolic function, we have sinh, cosh, tang. Now we are going to see those hyperbolic functions in an exponential form. So I want you, class, to identify this hyperbolic function in exponential form. I'm going to use a chart here. I have come with a chart. So class, who can manage to identify the first hyperbolic function? Yes, Sharon? That is sinh, correct? Who can manage to identify the second hyperbolic function? Yes, Nancy? Cosh, correct? Who can manage to identify the third one? Yes? Tang, correct? The fourth one? Who can manage to identify the fourth one? Yes, Karen? Cosine, correct? Who can manage to identify the fifth one? Yes, Daisy? Seng, correct? Who can manage to identify the sixth one? Yes, Corinne? That is cotangent. Good. Yes. So, we are going to use this equation to solve our hyperbolic equations. Have you seen the equation?
Yes.
I think you have noted it down.
Yes.
Okay. So, evaluate hyperbolic equation. That is our second learning outcome. We are going to evaluate. Hyperbolic equations. Now using your calculator. So, solve this equation. Example 1. Sinh of x is equals to 3.25. You can write it down. Sinh of x is equals to 3.25. Solution. So, sinh of x is equals to 3.25. So, we are going to find the value of x. We are going to take the inverse of sinh. When we take the inverse of sinh, it's going to give us our value of x, which result to 3.25. So, our x is equals to sinh of 3.25. Now, using your calculator, I'm going to guide you. Using your calculator, press hype. Using your calculator, press hype. Then, number 4, that means sinh inverse. Press 3.25. So, your answer, confirm if your answer is this one. Your answer is equals to x is equals to 1.8946. Have you managed to get that answer?
Yes.
That is correct. So you can do this one. To think and share with your friends, you can use your calculator to do this one. Cosh of 1. Cosh of x is equals to 1.52. I'm waiting for your answer with your friend. So, yes, Marcy, what have you got?
0.982.
That is correct. Our x is equals to cosh of 1.52. X is equals to 0.980. Because cosh is an even function, it will be plus or negative 0.980. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to our third learning outcome is to solve the equation using hyperbolic equations. So, solve the equation. Everybody can look at the board, solve the equation. Solve the equation. Sinh of x is equals to 3.25. Solution. So, as we have discussed that sinh of x is equals to exponential of x minus exponential of negative x over 2, this one will be equal to 3.25. So our sinh of x can be written in exponential form, which is equal to 3.25. So over 2 is equals to 3.25 times 2. What do you get, class?
6.50.
You get 6.50, correct? So here, 2 goes with 2, that is 1. So exponential of x minus exponential of negative x, this one is equals to 6.5. Again, next step, multiply through by exponential of x. So it will be exponential of x into exponential of x minus exponential of negative x is equals to 6.5 exponential of x. So when you multiply through, exponential of x times exponential of x, what do you get? Exponential of 2x minus exponential of x times exponential of negative x, what do you get? Exponential of 0, which is equals to 6.5 exponential of x. So exponential of 2x is minus exponential of 0 is 1, is equals to 6.5 exponential of x. Now we collect like terms. Exponential of 2x minus 6.5 exponential of x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So let our y be equals to exponential of x. So when we let our y is equal to exponential of x, we fix in this equation, it will become y squared minus 6.5 exponential of x minus 1 is equals to 0. Y squared minus 6.5y is minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve that equation. Using your quadratic formula, you can do that equation, that is y is equals to 6.5 plus or minus square root of negative 6.5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 divided by 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. So we are going to find our value of y1 and our value of y2. So when you solve that using your calculator, So what is your value of y1, class?
We have 13.300.
We have 6.505 and y2 is equals to negative 0.1505. That is correct. So as we know, our y was our exponential of x, and this exponential of x is always greater than 0. So here we are going to neglect this y which has negative, and we take the one which has positive. So exponential of x now becomes 6.505. Taking the natural log on both sides, we get our x is equals to natural log of 6.505. So what is your value of x now? What is your value of x? Confirm if you have this answer, 1.895. Confirm if you have that answer. Do you get the same answer?
Yes.
That is correct. So that is our answer that we have got. Is everybody okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to solve this equation. Through think, pair and share. Write this equation. Sinh of x now, let it be 3. Sinh of x is equals to 3. With your friend, sinh of x is equals to 3. Yes, Karen, you are saying your first step. That is correct. Yes, Corinne. That is good. You are doing very well. Let me see here what you are doing. Good. Yes, continue the next step. Yes, continue. So I show the class. I think this group is ahead of everybody. You can show the class the pen is here. Everyone pay attention. Let us Moses show us the given equation. This one. Okay, 10.
So, as you know, sinh of x, and is taking this symbol, e raised to x minus e raised to negative x over 2. So you let, if sinh of x is equals to e raised to x minus e raised to negative x over 2, so this is the sinh of x, which is equivalent to 3, right? So we multiply both sides by 2, by 2, by 2. So here we cancel. So we have e raised to x minus e raised to negative x is equals to 6.
That is
So,
correct.
so we multiply by e raised to x to this equation. So it will be e raised to x into e raised to x minus e raised to x is equal to 6. E raised to x multiplied by e raised to x, e raised to
Exponential 2x.
2x
That is correct.
minus e. So we know when you multiply exponential, you add the powers. So it will be e raised to 0 equivalent to 6.
6 exponential x.
By x. So
Yes.
6 exponential
X.
x. So in this equation, we know e raised to 2x minus, so e raised to exponential 0. Exponential raised to 0 is equals to
1. You
One.
see what I can confirm that? Exponential raised to 0?
is equivalent to 1.
Yes.
So e 2x minus 1 is equals to 6 exponential x. So you arrange. So e raised to 2x minus
Yes.
6 e raised to x minus 1 is equals to
0.
0. So you let e raised to x to be y. So you will have y squared minus 6y minus 1 is equals to 0. And you know the formula of finding the quadratic formula is negative p plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a.
Yes.
So this is our a, b, and c. So negative b, negative 6. So it will be 6. 6 plus or minus square root b square negative 6 square. So 36. 36 minus 4ac. 4ac. It will be plus 4. Yes, plus 4. Because the negative and the negative it will vanish. So plus 4 all over 2a. So 2a and our a, there is silent one. So it will be 2. So we have got 6
That is our value of y.
plus or minus square root. So 36 plus 4, 40. So square root of 40 all over 2. So
Process you can put there, we are finding y. Y is equals
y,
to
y. I'm
Yes.
sorry, y is equals to, we are
Yes.
finding the value of
y.
y.
Okay.
So we will find two values for plus and for minus.
Yes.
So we find y1 and y2.
Yes.
So 6 plus square root of 40. What is the square root of 40 in your calculator?
square root of 40.
Square root of 40.
Yeah.
So 6 plus
Plus
or
or
minus
6.324.
6.3245.
3245. Yes.
All over
True.
2. So our y1. So our y1 6 plus 6.3245. Divided by 2.
2.6,
2.6. 18. Then 6 minus 6.3245. 0.382. And this is the value of y.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, up to there, is everybody okay?
Yes.
So, Moses has found the value of y to be 2.618 and value of y2 is equal to 0.38. But Moses, we cannot finish there. We were finding our value of x. Yes. So to find our value of x, we'll take our y was exponential of x, which we say is greater than 0. So exponential of x now is equal to 2.618. So our x is equal to natural log of 2.618. Using your calculator, can you find the value of x? And confirm with this one if your value is 0.9624. Using your calculator, assist your friend to see the natural log of 2.168. Do you get the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Do you get the same answer? Yes. So when you take this value of x is equal to 0.9624 and put it here, it will give us our value of 3. You can prove that sinh, using your calculator, sinh of 0.9624. Using your calculator, you can find is equals to, using your calculators, is equals to 3, correct. Mine is giving me 2.99, which when you round off is equals to 3, correct. So, so that is how we have solved sinh of x is equals to 3. You can also solve using the same formula, using the same method and procedure to solve the cosh of x, the tangent of x, the cotangent of x, and the sec of x. So class, we want to review what we have covered today. So who can manage to identify what we have learned today? Yes, Sharon?
Hyperbolic functions.
We have learned hyperbolic function. Can you clap for her? Good. So, can you identify the hyperbolic function that we have captured today? Yes, Karen? We have sinh, correct.
Cosh.
We have cosh, correct.
Tangent.
We have tangent, yes, Nora. Cosine, correct. So I want one of you to come and write the sinh of x in terms of exponential function. The first one, yes, Mercy, write the sinh of x. Others prepare for the cosh and the tangent. Clap for her. Yes, the second one, the cosh, you can come and write yes for it. I think when your fellow student write, I think we will not forget about that. So let us check. Is he right?
No.
Is he right?
No.
Who can make changes on the cosh of x? Yes?
We have yet.
Clap for her, that is correct. So the last one is tangent. Tangent, you can write the tangent of x. The tangent of x. Yes, Daisy? Be ready to make corrections. The tangent of x. we are going to use this to solve our equations. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, we have also emphasized on solving equation of a hyperbolic function, where we have looked at the step of solving a hyperbolic function. For example, here we have the quotient of x is equal to exponential x plus exponential of negative x over 2, and we have given, for example, a value of 3. So what you need to do is you need to multiply through by 2. When you multiply through by 2, you will get an equation, and then from there, you are going to introduce an exponential function. When you introduce an exponential function, you are going to multiply through by that exponential function. And then, you form something like a quadratic equation. You let that exponential function, exponential of x, you let it to be y. So when you let it to be y, you will get an exponential of 2x. The x power is 2x. This one will be equals to y squared. So we have like a y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. And this can be solved using the quadratic equation. We know our quadratic equation y is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2. So this one is going to give you your value of y. And we know our y is exponential of what? Is exponential of x. Our y is equals to exponential of x. So that value, exponential of x, maybe you can get is 1.56. So you take the natural log in both sides, that is exponential, that is now your value of x is equals to log of 1.56. Using your calculator in exponential form, you will get your value x to be equals to 0.181. When you get this one, when you get your value of x and come to replace here in the quotient of x, you will get your value of 3. That is how you will prove that your quotient, the answer you have gotten, is equals to 3. That is how we solve the equation involving hyperbolic function. Is anyone have a question up to there? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to leave you with an assignment. So, I'm going to leave you with an assignment. Write it down. When you write it, we start on that assignment next week. A chain hangs, write this equation, a chain hangs in the form given by, assignment, a chain hangs in a form given by, we get this equation in engineering, mathematics. So, a chain hangs in the form given by y is equals to 40 sinh x over 40. So, we find the value of x when y is equals to 54.30. That is where we are going to start. So, I think our class will stop at there. Let's meet next time. Thank you so much.